Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little mini program where we basically check if the entry that we enter into an input box is a letter of the alphabet. So let's start. Let's create the subroutine. Let me just we go in a little bit further here. Subroutine. I'm going to call this alphabet chars. Okay, so we're going to print a message to tell our user what to do. Enter a letter of the alphabet. Okay, now we're going to do some input, get the user input using chomp my scalar letter. I'm going to assign that to standard input. Okay, and now we're going to come on to the conditional here, which is going to be if scalar letter. We're going to have to do a little bit of regex here, so I've got a special character that doesn't work on my keyboard, so I've got a little bit of a workaround for it. I kind of keep it in there. For some reason my keyboard doesn't work with this character. I don't know what's happened to it. Anyway, never mind. So we're going to use the matching operator here, and we're going to use a little bit of regex. So we're going to do a / and then we're going to do this character which matches things at the beginning of the string. So we're going to do an A to Z, which is A to Z lowercase, and then we're going to do a capital A to Z uppercase, and then we're going to use this character which matches things at the end of a string, and an escape here. Hopefully I've inputted that correctly. Right, let's have a look. Let me just run over this and see if it looks okay. Yeah, that looks okay, that looks okay, that looks okay. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to print out a message to the user. Print the scalar letter, this is the letter that we entered, is in the alphabet if it matches the above. Or else, if it doesn't match, we're going to have to use the else statement here, the catch-all, to tell the user that. Print scalar letter isn't in the alphabet. A new line character there. Okay, all we have to do now is call the program. Alphabet chars characters. Save it. Now let's run it. Enter a letter of the alphabet. Let's enter R, random letter. R is in the alphabet. Okay, let's enter an uppercase letter here. So let's enter J, random. J is in the alphabet. And what happens if we just simply enter a number in? Isn't in the alphabet. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.